Hi, we're Michael and Anjali, and this is our home on wheels. In this video, we'll show you how we finished the van build and hit the road for our first trip, only to end up stuck in a hotel without it. But how did we end up like this? Let's take you to the start. After we finished the interior of the van, we were left with two big projects, electricity and a water system, plus a lot of small things.
So as you can see, we have the grey one and not the white. So actually we have to go to Bauhaus and get a new one. That's sad, but okay, happens. Let's go, Angie.
Now?
Yeah, tomorrow.
We had a week off in August, so we worked until last minute to somehow make it. We had no idea if it will all work out until 2 days before the vacation, but we did and were ready to start our journey. We decided to drive to south of France and just park the van whenever and wherever we felt like. It was an amazing feeling to finally be on the road, carrying our home with us. It all felt so unreal. We had big plans.
So we are thinking maybe to go to Corsica if we get a night ferry from Marseille. Yeah, we will see how it goes.
But turns out something else was in store for us. We were driving in the middle of Marseille, 1 kilometer away from the beach we wanted to spend the first night at, and the gear wasn't changing anymore. We panicked for a good 2-3 minutes, but somehow managed to drive the van out of the city at second gear. That meant we had to now move out of the van and give it to a garage. 10-pack suitcase.
Always having a bag, no?
Learning. This trip is all about learning.
Yeah.
We left the van at the parking spot and went to a hotel. So, pickup spot is next to Ford, right? On Monday, we took the car to the garage and started exploring Marseille.
We're up when we should sleep. No better company I keep. Old record spinning round. Quiet rooftop city sounds with you. With the moon high, if we keep quiet, we could have the world to ourselves. Just a little while longer. Can have the world to ourselves.
Finally, on Friday, we got a call that we could pick up the van. It was so cool to have it back.
The best of dark and light, converse to make this night with you.
We directly drove out of the city to a beach and spent our last evening exactly the way how we had imagined this trip to look like.
Mystery red like signal fires.
Looking back, even though the first trip wasn't how we wanted it to be, it taught us that sometimes things aren't in our hands, and instead of spending time worrying or being sad and frustrated, we should just accept the situation and make the best out of it. I have to say, it wasn't easy at first, but slowly we got the hang of it. Luckily, we made it back without new problems with the van, but we know that we have to change and repair a few things. In the coming weeks, we will prepare the van for the next big trip, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.